Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam everyone. Let all the students join the class. I'll be starting it. Wait for 5 minutes. Other student will join the class. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kindly, girls, cover the head. All the girls, please cover the head. Okay. Humaira, Iqbal, bete, do recitation. Abdullah, Farhan, Sinan, all the students, kindly open the camera. Moez, Saqib, Reja, Daniyo, all the students, kindly give attendance and open video. Humaira, bete, do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Subhanallah, bete. Okay, today we will review the topic adverb because yesterday you were making so many mistakes in adverb. Okay. Kindly, one by one, I want all the students do review the topic adverb. What is adverb? What is the function of adverb? What it modifies? What is adverb of time, place, and manner? So today's class you will be taking and you will define each and everything to me. Okay, let me share the screen with you all. It will help you to describe more. Okay, yes, Reja, what is adverb? Unmute. This screen will help you more.
Teacher,
Take the help of the screen and define what is adverb and what are different kinds of adverb, please.
okay. Teacher, adverb is that describe a verb and others were adverb, just like adjective and verb, etc.
Okay. Would you mind to explain with example?
Verb.
Kindly give an example to me. Ji Rija, share the example.
Like hmm,
Okay, Amsal. What is adverb, bete? Amsal is logged in with Abrish Noor. Amsal, why don't you log in with your own name? Ji, Amsal. What is an adverb? Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Do let me know what is an adverb.
Miss adverb is a word that describes the verb.
Okay, only verb?
Miss verb, adjective, and miss adverb also.
Very good, Amsal. Okay. Now, Abdullah Farhan, I want you to share example. Ji Abdullah Farhan. Abdullah Farhan, please speak up. Beta, I really want all the students to take part. Abdullah Farhan, please check your headphone. Yes, Abhiya. Answer, beta. I think
He
something
spoke
wrong.
politely. I ran quickly.
Do let me know in this sentence which adverb you are using. Adverb of place, manner, time, which adverb it is.
Okay.
Justify it more.
She ran. I ran fastly. Teacher, so fastly is
Stop. Abhiya, excuse me, bete. Fastly is not a word. It's incorrect word.
Okay.
Fast itself is an adverb. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, now, please.
She ran fast or quickly.
Good. She runs fast.
Hmm.
Okay, move on.
She spoke politely.
Very
Politely
good.
is adverb of manner.
Very nice. Excellent job, Abhiya. Very nice. Yes, Sinan. What is adverb of time? How will you define it more?
An adverb of time is that describes the time of an adjective, verb, or other adverb.
Okay, very good. It tells us when an action happened. When mean it talks about time. When an action happened. Am I clear, everyone?
When
Yes, it talks about
yes,
time. Very good, Sinan. Okay, Fatima Mohsin, I want you to share the example of adverb of time. Justify it more. Okay.
Adverb of time.
Ji, please, bete.
Unfortunately,
Bete, I'm talking about adverb of time.
time. Adverb of time. I am Sally today.
These all are the list of adverb of time. Look at that and do make sentence. These all are adverb of time. Always, already, annually, before, constantly, daily, early, earlier, eventually. These all talks about adverb of time. Monthly, lately, later, late, last, June, July. These all are talking about the time. So kindly use in example. Okay, more students are joining the class. Ji Fatma Mohsin, I want you to make sentence of adverb of
Miss,
time, please.
they went to movie last year.
Okay, very nice. So in this sentence, LAST, last year. Is this clear to everyone? It is adverb of time. Is this clear to everyone? Kindly thumbs up. Thumbs up with Zoom option. Aryan, did you all understand, my dear? Yusra, you just joined the class. Do let me know, please. What is the function of adverb? An adverb describes verb, adverb, and adjective as well. Okay. Now, let's talk about adverb of place. Yes, Rafe. Do let me know what is adverb of place. I hope you are present in the class. G, please. Rafe, unmute yourself. Bete, kindly, I really want all the students, when you join the class, do not just join the class. You should speak up in the
yes,
class. You should take part.
yes, miss.
Please answer me.
Okay. Mm,
Do
behind.
open the video first. I want all the students open the video. Yusra, Abdullah, Farhan, all the students open the video, please. Listen the lecture carefully. Ji, now answer me.
Behind.
So in this sentence, which adverb you are using?
Yes, miss.
In this sentence, which adverb you are using? Okay. Look at that. These all are adverb. Adverb of place. It talks about where an action happened. Where mean it talks about place. Am I clear? So in this sentence, behind is adverb of place, and it is telling the place, describing the location. Is this clear? Where it is behind. Okay. Very nice. Very nice, Rafa. Excellent job. Did you understand, my dear? I want all the students kindly do practice parts of speech as much as you can, because your practice is very important. Language need the practice. If you don't do practice, you can't get the topic, my dear. So we have done all parts of speech, and I want all the students to practice a lot at home. Do use in sentences. Okay, what is adverb of manner? Asghar. Do let me know what is adverb of manner. Ad Asghar will define us. Ji Asghar. Asghar also left somewhere. But this is very bad. You all don't open video. Not remain attentive. I'll be cutting marks for it. You know, your class participation, I think you don't know. Today I'll be again sharing the marks distribution with you all. 10 marks for attendance, 10 marks for your class participation. If you are not opening the camera, it will be deducting your marks. So please be attentive. Do take part in the class and do practice with me. Especially who just joined the class and moved somewhere. Not answering me.
Teachers के example she plays very beautifully.
He placed very beautifully what? Any object, na?
She plays very
He
beautifully.
plays. Okay, the game sports one. Very good. She plays beautifully. But if we plays attentively or we plays happily, isn't it? Joyfully, enthusiastically, but not beautifully. ठीक है ना? We dress up beautifully. We give presentation beautifully in the manner. Few adverb are specifically for few things. Just read the context carefully, बेटे. खूबसूरती से हम
He
खेलते नहीं हैं. ठीक है? Okay, it's a nice practice you use in the sentence, and it was correctly used in the sentence. Grammatically, it was correct sentence. Okay, very good.
okay.
But you know, words are not suitable. Few words are not suitable for the few contexts. Okay. Yes, Dania. Did you understand the topic? Dania,
Yes, miss.
why don't you open the camera? Usman. Hiba. Rahim. Muntaha. Reja. I told you I'll be deducting the marks because you all are not attentive and not taking part in the class. Yes, Abhiya, please answer me. What is adverb of place, manner, or time?
Of place like I'm outside the city, or she lives in Lahore.
Very good.
Adverb
But
of
she
manner
lives in
that
Lahore, na? Wait, Abhiya. She lives in Lahore. Where is adverb in the sentence? Lives in is preposition. Okay, move on.
adverb of manner like she sleeps earlier,
Very good.
and
Which adverb it is earlier? Look at the list. These all are adverb of place. These all are adverb of time. Look at that. Earlier is a Adverb of time. Look at that list I'm sharing with you all. So observe it. Time, manner.
Okay.
Clear, everyone? I hope this you reviewed this topic. But now you are joining the class. Hiba, you are not answering. Usman, you are not answering, not taking part in the class. Saqib, you just joined the class when the class is about to over. But where were you? Would you mind to share the reason? Ji, Yusra. Did you understand adverb?
Yes.
Ji, what is adverb?
Adverb of time.
Ji,
Adverb
speak up.
of time. Early sleep. Early.
Beta Yusra, you need more and more practice now. Please do practice. Just Rafe, please speak up. Rafe,
Yes,
your
miss.
turn now.
Yes.
Ji, beta, did you understand the topic?
Yes.
Now please define me.
Miss, क्या?
What is adverb?
Adverb is a verb that describes verb, adjective, verb, and adjective.
Okay, very nice. Class, I'll be taking your presentation on Friday about your best memory. Do you all know now? The best memory of your winter vacation, you will be giving the presentation to me. So please do not submit any excuse or any lame excuse that I did not prepare, I was not at home. I have given you the whole week, 1 week. It has marks. Friday, I'll be taking your presentation. One paragraph you have to write in your copy. You will share the picture through WhatsApp, and the presentation you will submit in online class. The video you can send through WhatsApp to me. Is this clear? The best memory of your winter vacation. Friday, I'll be taking it in online class. Is this clear to everyone? Did you all understand today's topic? Ji. Very good, Asghar. Very good. Excellent job, Betim. Ji, Aryan.
Yes, miss.
Understood the topic?
Yes, miss.
What is adverb of time?
Teacher, example.
Ji.
I have already done this work.
Okay, which adverb you are using right now?
Already.
Okay. Arif, you joined the class too late, so look at that. Ji, Arif, now you are joining the class. Did you understand the topic?
No, miss.
Do let me know the reason why you joined the class too late. Okay, student. Thank you for joining the class. Good practice you did today. I want you all to practice more and more. Is this clear? You have workbook 6. No matter if you have done the exercise or not, you can practice in the workbook as well. Clear? Is this clear? Please thumbs up. And you should open the video once you join the class. Because Arif, Asghar, Ebba, Saqib, Usman, Asghar took part in the class. Ebba did not take part. Saqib did not take part. Arif Usman did not answer me, so I'm deducting their marks. Okay. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Have a great day ahead. Okay. Cheer all.